The minute I tried this, I knew I needed a bottle instantly. I didn't buy it instantly, but I'm so happy to unbox it. I can't wait to open it. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Yes, it has been a little while since my last video. I don't know where the time has actually gone, but these weeks just seem to be flying by, and September was my birthday month, so I was really busy and I had a very good friend visiting. Beginning of this month, October, was my daughter's birthday. Then we've all had this really nasty flu virus thing that has taken us so long to get over. Touch wood, we are back on the mend, but that was really nasty. So really excited for today's video. Let's just get straight into this unboxing. This is the fragrance that I am talking about. Oh my goodness. Cedar Chic by Carolina Herrera. This was not a blind buy. I have been testing this, trying it over a good few weeks. I've been going in and out of the store, doing full wear tests, really deciding whether it's worth a full bottle. It was love at first sniff, but I am past that stage of impulse buying. I can't stand when I buy a fragrance and the performance is disappointing. So I really wanted to make sure that this was worth the money. I need to get this open because I don't have any perfume on today and I want this to be my scent of the day. Oh my gosh, I love this bottle. Such a beautiful bottle. Let's spray it. Wow. Whew. Wow. Oh, it's all up my nose. I'm definitely an oversprayer. Wow. Woo. I've got a lot of musk fragrances and I would class this as a musk scent for sure. And I did question, like, do I actually need a bottle of this? Thinking about what I have in my collection already, I did wonder if there was a place for this fragrance or if it was just gonna be another one of those kind of scents that I don't really reach for. But no, it's absolutely beautiful. It's magnificent. I really love aldehydes in fragrance, and in the opening of this, you have aldehydes and you have some bergamot. That gives it this almost like fizzy, sparkly opening. It's really bright, very vibrant. It does have that very clean kind of vibe, but I wouldn't say it smells like laundry detergent, like that kind of clean scent. It's more soft and a little bit sweet, very fluffy, very kind of creamy. Pure Skin but better in a really gentle kind of way. There is some orange blossom in here. It just gives this really creamy sweetness to the scent. And the musk in here is my favorite kind of musk, white musk. There's something really comforting and cocooning about white musk. I did feel like it was going to be slightly more woody. I think from the name Cedar, I imagined it to be quite a heavy woody type of scent, so I was pleasantly surprised when I tried this because it's much softer and quite airy as well. You could wear this from day to night. It's the type of scent that you could wear to a brunch and it will carry you through to evening drinks. Very chic, super sophisticated. It's really long wearing. It's soft, it's fluffy and light, but it lingers in the air. It's one of those scents that you kind of like you gasp when you smell it because it's just so beautiful. If you are into these type of musky skin scents, I highly recommend trying this, testing it, sampling it, because even though, as I mentioned, I have a lot of musk fragrances, this is very different to any that I currently have. And oh my goodness, it is so worth it. It's so gorgeous. I cannot recommend it enough. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this, if you've tried any others from the confidential line that you can recommend to me. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye.